On Sunday, August 30th, God's House Church has the honor of presenting to you Bishop Prince Bah, founder and senior pastor of Calvary Crusaders Ministry.
Life can be unfair to you, that things might not go your way. But thank God for deliverance. He was broken, yet he was delivered. Even though broken in both feet, but God's deliverance. 5 is a number of grace. For the grace of God, many of us would have been destroyed in alcohol, in the streets, and with the gangs. Something could have happened. But if you are here today, I tell you that it's the grace of God that kept you alive.
So bring yourself and somebody else and join us for this 11 a.m. life-changing service with Bishop Prince Bah. For more information, check us out at www.godshousechurch.com. God's House Church, where everybody is somebody, and Jesus Christ is Lord of us all.